In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Shopify store name easily. Now, the first thing, you want to log into your Shopify store and you want to select your store. I'm going to go with this one. Now, next thing, guys, you want to do, you want to click on settings and you want to select here store details. You want to click on store details. And here, as you can see, it says here store name, phone, sender, email. You want to click on edit, as you can see, and now you can change your store name. And that's it, guys. You want to click on save, and of course you can change a lot of other things. For example, the store currency. If you want to change the store currency, you can do this here, and then you just want to click on save. And that's exactly, guys, how you can change your store name. As you can see, we have successfully changed our store name. Yeah, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. So that's exactly how you can change Shopify store name easily. See you guys next video.